Welcome back for our second video on procedure writing. In this video, I will show you how I write procedures. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to choose an appropriate title, identify what's needed, put steps in order, use clear, simple language, and write commander sentences. I'm going to be using this template. One of the most important places where we use procedures in school is in our science experiments. It's very important that every group follows the same steps so that we have a fair test. Think about this question for a moment. What household liquid do you think will take the most dirt off of a coin? Here's how we might figure out the answer to that question. First of all, we need a title that tells us exactly what this procedure tells us how to do. A perfect title here would be How to Test Cleaning Liquids. Next, I fill in the You Will Need section. This experiment will compare cold water, hot soapy water, cola, and ketchup. If you are doing this experiment at home, you can choose different liquids. For this experiment, you will need dirty coins, a paint tray or 4 plastic cups, a jug of water, washing up liquid, a kettle, ketchup, and Coca-Cola. Notice how every item gets its own line to make it very clear. After that, we write the instructions. They must be numbered, use commander verbs, and the shorter and simpler the language, the better. 1. Choose 4 equally dirty coins. Which of the coins on the right would you choose? I chose the 4 dark brown 5-cent coins. I didn't choose the bigger coins or the shiny 5-cent coins because I want to do a fair test. Next we have the liquids. Because boiling water can be very dangerous, we're going to put a safety warning here. Safety warnings have to stand out. So I'm going to use thick red letters and I'm going to write NB next to it. NB. Ask an adult for help with the kettle. Step 2. Heat water in the kettle. Step 3. Pour the hot water into one of the plastic cups or paint pots. Step 4. Add a little washing up liquid. Step 5. Put 1 liquid into each of the pots or cups. Step 6. Place 1 coin into each liquid. Step 7. Wait 30 minutes. Step 8. Gently rinse the coins. Step 9. Examine which coin is the cleanest. We use pictures where we think they're helpful to the reader. Which of the pictures that I use so far would you choose to make the instructions clear? I chose the paint tray with the 4 liquids and the coins. So, how did we do? We have a simple title. It starts with How To. We put the list of everything you will need at the start of the procedure. We wrote the method as numbered steps in the right order. The sentences begin with commander verbs. The language is short and simple. There's a picture where it would really help the reader. And there's 1 safety warning which was done so as to stand out and be very clear where people needed it. Now, in the third and final video, we'll look at some ideas for writing a procedure of your own. Slán go fóill.